In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in a Microsoft Word document. Embedding fonts ensures that your document looks exactly the way you intended, even when opened on another computer that doesn't have the same fonts installed. This is especially useful for professional documents, presentations, or publications where maintaining the exact formatting is important. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one that contains the fonts you want to embed. Once your document is ready, go to the File tab at the top left corner of the window. Click File to open the Backstage view and then select Options at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Word Options dialog box where you can adjust various settings for your documents. In the Word Options window, click on the Save category from the list on the left. Here you will find several options related to saving documents. Look for the section labeled Preserve Fidelity when sharing this document. Under this section, check the box that says Embed Fonts in the file. This setting ensures that the fonts used in your document are stored within the Word file itself. There are also two additional options you can consider. The first is Embed only the characters used in the document, which reduces the file size by embedding only the specific letters and symbols used, rather than the entire font. The second is Do not embed common system fonts, which avoids embedding fonts that are typically available on most computers, further keeping the file size manageable. Choose the options that best suit your needs. Once you have selected the desired settings, click OK to save your changes. Now, when you save your document and share it with others, the embedded fonts will ensure that the text appears exactly as formatted, even on computers that do not have the fonts installed. It's important to note that embedding fonts slightly increases the file size of your document, but it is a small trade-off for preserving the appearance and professionalism of your work. And that's it. You now know how to embed fonts in a Microsoft Word document, which helps maintain consistent formatting across different devices and ensures your document always looks as intended. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.